Hello Bladers. Japan has been known as one of the most technological country in Asia due to their high-tech inventions and out-of-this-world ideas. They were also featured as one of the key cities in the Fast and Furious franchise, Tokyo Drift. Here are some Japanese police cars that would surely jaw-drop all your car junkies out there. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Japanese and these police cars. Number 1, Nissan GT-R R35. Number 2, Honda NSX. Number 3, Mazda RX-8. Number 4, Nissan Skyline GT-R R34. Number 5, Nissan 350Z. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.